Alright folks, so today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Tersely screen protector glass that I've purchased from amazon.com.au to protect my DJI RC screen. So as you can see, I spent $8.99 to purchase this from Amazon, and it has 9H hardness, anti-shock and anti-impact, perfect anti-fingerprint effects, and it has good round edge shape design which will fit perfectly onto your DJI RC mini remote controller, and it's also hydrophobic and wear resistance. So this is the back side of the package. It has the installation instructions, and your package includes the screen protectors, the wiping clothes, etc. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing, and also I will show you how to apply this in this video itself. Alright, so that now we have unboxed the screen protector, let's try to install it onto the DJI RC remote controller. Now with the package you have dry and the wet wipes, but I personally don't want to use the wet wipes because I don't want to damage the DJI RC's screen, and I believe that the screen itself is not waterproof or weatherproof, so therefore I will be careful not to use any wet wipes or anything that is wet on the screen when it comes to cleaning before application of the screen protector. So for that purpose I'll just ignore the wet wipe and I'll only use the dry wipe to basically give it a nice clean, remove the dust and the fingerprints that's already there, and then we will proceed on to the application of the screen protector. So let's give the remote controller a good wipe first with the dry cloth. Make sure that you wipe the surface gently, just to make sure that you get off those fingerprints that you had previously and the dust particles. If you see any dust particles on the screen, you can also use the dust absorber that is being provided to you, but I don't think that is necessary. You can just give it a good wipe using the dry cloth and you should be good to apply your screen protector. Alright, so let me take the screen protector, take it out from the cover, and before applying I'll give it a brief wipe as well, just to make sure that I get those dust particles on the screen removed. And once done, just peel this off. And then put it gently and carefully and just let it settle down. As you can see, the screen protector itself is a great fit on the overall DJI RC screen, so it protects the screen really well. It's just a matter of getting these little air pockets from the corners out. Okay, so there you have it. We have applied the screen protector onto the DJI RC. You can see that there are little air pockets, but that's negligible. When you turn on the RC itself, it's not affecting the way the RC screen looks. So let's give it a try. Let's turn it on. You can see that the air pockets that was here and here does not affect the screen itself. So you can later down the line readjust it if you really need. All right, so the remote control is starting. Okay, let's see how the response to the touch is with the screen protector on. So if I go into the Academy, you can see the touch is pretty smooth. There's no difference. If I select different options on the screen, you can see that it's pretty smooth with the screen protector on, and there's no lag or there's no difference to it. So that's about it. That's the application of the screen protector onto the DJI RC. Let me know what your experience is under the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you like it and then subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.